coming. On behalf of the first grade, I want to thank you. First grade teachers, I want to thank you for coming. It's amazing this time of year to see all of you here supporting our kids, and as you know, Mistletoe is really big on the families, so we're very excited for you to be here. We've been working very hard on our Christmas program. Some of you have seen it in the past. This group has a particular character to them. They are all very independent children, and they have their own character, so it really shows in this tonight, and we're really thankful that you have allowed us to have your kids for the year, and that you shared them with us. So without further ado, here we go. Merry Christmas.
Oh my God. I don't know. Where's my mom?